how to add emojis to your Notion pages. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll show you how to add a little emoji to your Notion pages using emojis. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any tips. Let's get started. First, head over to your Notion workspace. If you're not already logged in, open your browser and go to the official Notion website. Click Login, then choose Continue with Google for a quick sign-in. Once you're inside, navigate to the page or document where you want to add an emoji. Click in the text area where you'd like it to appear. To insert an emoji, simply type /emoji. A menu will pop up showing you a huge selection of colorful emojis. You can scroll through or search for one that matches your mood or purpose, whether it's to add some fun, show urgency, or highlight an important point. Click on your chosen emoji and it will appear instantly in your page. You can repeat this as many times as you want to give your workspace personality and style. And that's it. Now you know how to easily add emojis to Notion and make your pages both functional and fun. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.